Okay, it's about 5:34 p.m. I'm on hold right now with DST, but let me mention this. It might be good because, as we mentioned, this cabinet here, this whole piece right here, blocks this. So if it's pushed up that way, it's going to block the drawer. Plus, he doesn't have a chance to stand clearly. The other thing is that really this whole area is just too tight for transaction. It would make it better if it was right here. My suggestion would be if we can change this countertop to here and move this countertop over here, then move all the shelving that's here over to here and move this over there. So pretty much what I'm saying is that this POS right here will be on this counter space that will give the cashier the ability to stand right here and still have enough space, whereas that 9 times out of 10 with all these shelves, if they're over there, they're not going to interfere with too much of anything. But this drawer and the cash drawer can be right here. So if they could just flip-flop the two, then that may solve that problem. So again, if you could just move this over here and put all those shelves over there, that countertop with the gourmet hole already in it here, and move this countertop over to that spot. And then that should make things a lot easier.